Hello, here's how to work with a Photoshop mock-up file. I've got a mock-up file that's open right here, and I have my layers showing. That's important. You'll need to see your layers panel. Also, if you have an image, for example, that you're going to want to add to any number of these elements, then you want to have that image open in another tab in Photoshop. So I already have an image here that I'm going to add to some of the elements in the mock-up. And what I'll do is use my selection tool, and I will select all of the image, and then I'll go up to Edit and Copy. Or if you have multiple layers that you need to include, you might need to choose Copy Merged. Okay, so I'll click Copy. And then I'll go back to the mock-up file, this tab right here. So now let's say that I want to put that image here on the screen for the tablet. I look over here in the layers and I can see that that's going to be this layer here. So I'll double click on that layer. And here's the material that's showing on that tablet screen. So I'll just hide that. I'll hide that layer. And I will add another layer. Just click on the plus sign at the bottom of the layers panel. And then I'll paste my image in, edit, paste. And then maybe I'll move it off to the side and add some text. So I can create another layer for the text. Click on the T over here in my toolbar. And I'll just well, I'll leave that text there. It's not really important what's in there, but let's just say that this is all the text that I need here. And then make sure, this is important, deselect everything. And then you go up here, and here's the PSB for the mock-up. So you want to close that, click the X to close the PSB. And you get a question about saving the changes, and yes, you do. And when you click that, it will take you back to the mock-up file. Okay, so now you see I've got my image and my text here on the tablet screen. So you can do that with any of these. Here's the business card, it looks like. It says BC. And here's the business card. I'll double click that. And here you can see it's got, some material for that business card. I can hide it, add a layer, again, paste in my image. Okay, of course that's too large, so I would resize that. Maybe put that in the corner of my business card. And I can add another layer. Oh, let me deselect that, add another layer. And again, perhaps throw in some text there. That would be my business card information. Be sure to deselect, exit out of the PSB, say yes to the changes, and there's the business card right there. So it's as simple as that, and get in touch if you have any questions.